Good morning, children. Today we are learning the continuation part of our first lesson, Don Quixote and the Windmills. So, today in this class we are learning about the types of nouns. Before going to the types of nouns, first we should know what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. For example, that you have your name, place, as we are living in Nizamabad. Place, thing. Thing might be anything, table, chair, bench, bed, anything else. Or a animal, might any different type of animals, cat, dog, lion, tiger, anything. So those names are still divided in 4 types. So among that we are learning only the 2 type of nouns in our class today. That is, the first one is the common noun, whereas the other is the proper noun. Common noun. Common noun is the common name given to the persons. As the way I use the word person, human being, student, child, boy, girl. Here boy means any boy, girl means any girl. So it's the word. If you don't know the names of the particular things, so we refer these general names. Those are known as common nouns. Whereas coming to the proper noun. Proper noun is the special names given to the persons. Even though if we have pet at our homes, so we'll give them a special name. As if we have a dog at our homes, we call it as puppy, doggy, Tommy, whatever. So it's a particular names. As you have your own name, so we can't refer a person with the other's name, isn't it? I can't address you with your brother's name or else with your sister's name. So those are known as proper nouns. So let us do an exercise based on this to understand it clearly. Circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns in this passage. So here it begins, the passage. Mr. Mehta had a monkey named Mac. So what we need to do here is common nouns we need to circle and proper nouns we have to underline it. So what's Mr. Mehta now? Mr. Mehta is a proper noun. So underline this word, Mr. Mehta. What's the name of his monkey? That is Mac. So Mac is a proper noun as it is the name of a monkey. Just now I explained you that as if we have some names to our dogs or pets at our homes, special names which we keep. Here Mr. Mehta had a monkey. His monkey's name is Mac. So that is proper noun. Monkey is a common noun. We have number of monkeys, isn't it? Monkey is called common noun. The name of a monkey is proper noun. Mac loved to chew on shoes. What he loved? To chew on shoes. Who loves? Mac. So Mac is a proper noun. Underline it. Shoes, common noun. Circle it. Mr. Mehta's neighbors hated Mac. Who hated? Mr. Mehta's neighbors. Mr. Mehta, proper noun. Underline it. Whereas neighbors is a common noun. Circle it. Mac, again the name of a monkey. Once, when Ira was sleeping, Mac entered her house through the window and chewed up her sandals. What has happened? Who was sleeping? When Ira was sleeping, Mac entered the house. Ira is the name of a girl. So underline it. Mac, name of a monkey. Underline that as these are the proper nouns. House is a common noun as everyone has a house. Through the window. So it's a common noun. Window. We have number of windows. So window. Common noun. Sewed up her sandals. Sandals. Common noun. And hid them in her refrigerator. Where did she monkey hid it? In refrigerator. It's a common noun. When Mr. Filipovsky saw his shoes hanging from the electric pole, he knew that Mac did it. He might be one of the neighbor of this Mr. Mehta. Laces are the common noun, so circle it, of his shoes. Mr. Mehta chased Mac, but he ran towards the balcony and jumped off. Mr. Mehta is a proper noun, so underline it, whereas balcony is a common noun, circle it. And jumped off. Mr. Mehta wore his shoes without laces that day. Mr. Mehta is a proper noun. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.